All right, team, we're gonna do something very awful today. It's called quads in the air fryer. Thanks, Gary, for that creative name, because we are going to toast these quads. So this is one of our embrace the suck movements. It's usually something that's gonna be a finisher. Afterwards, you're gonna be kind of crawling out of the gym. So make sure you are ready for that. So what these are, it's just heel elevated goblet squats. You can do it with a heel elevated platform or a plate or anything else you just want to elevate your heels on. You can have a kettlebell, you can have a dumbbell. Hey, if you want to zerch or something, or even a sandbag, whatever, carry your friend, anything heavy, okay, that's gonna burn your quads. So we're gonna do 10 weighted goblet squats, and then we're gonna just throw the weight away and do 10 body weight. Okay, last set, you can do an AMRAP and then just crawl out. So here we go. Why am I doing this? Stay vertical as possible, sit really deep. You can even have an extra pause, get a stretch in the quads at the bottom. Just make it a suck as much as possible. Are you counting? Oh. Okay, more. Okay. I'm fried.